Hello everyone, this is a video about a scam that is going on eBay and Amazon and other places about these neck massagers. It's really obvious when you see it, but some people they would get a little bit carried away and they think that this one is real. For the price of this, it varies from £18 up to £22, and unfortunately this item is really popular on eBay, and I thought, okay, I knew that they are a fake, and I just thought, okay, let's try it and educate and inform other people to avoid buying this. Already the money that I have spent on this item is back onto me because the seller just freaked out when I said it's not as described, and they just realized that they are not in a good place with me, and they have decided just to ask me to, okay, keep it if you can use it. And I said no, I don't want to keep it, and they said keep it anyway. The price of this item, as I mentioned, is between 18 up to, some people even they are selling it for £12. We are getting into that maybe later on, but listen to the stuff that they are claiming. They are saying this unit, although that is massaging you, but it has 4 pads to heat up your shoulder and your necks, or your shoulder and your necks. It depends how you are putting it on. Normally you putting it like this. These two they are on your neck, and these two they are on upper inside shoulder beneath your neck. Anyhow, and they are claiming a lot of stuff that is just emitting frequencies, and it has 16 different positions. I'm gonna demonstrate all of that because shamefully, or very rudely, they have put this on voice control. When you are pressing it, it's just telling you what it's gonna do, but the only thing that it's gonna do is just heating up just 2 of these heater pads. That's all. And even is not heating up. I have some images from inside. I'm gonna explain it to you, and I'm gonna show it to you, and I hope you are going to avoid this and share this video with everyone else to avoid any scammers to earn some money, because these people, they know that you are gonna return this item. They are just counting on your money to be in their account for at the most 7 to 10 days. But if you're vigorous with your claims that is not as described, they are gonna send your money back even faster, and you are asking you to keep this rubbish if you can use it. Anyway, it has just 400 milliamp batteries in there. That is gonna be useful to you, but the rest is just absolutely rubbish. And I'm holding this for you just to read out what they are claiming and how to operate this properly, and so on and so forth. Anyway, that is the user manual, and it comes with a micro USB charger for charging that 400 milliamp battery in there, 1.5 watt And can you imagine if that 1.5 watt could heat up four of these at the same time? Is not going to last much longer than, maybe 5 minutes at the most. And on this side you have all the controls, and I charged it fully. You have the power, minus and plus, for go through the different positions, and you have a light here, and you have a speaker here. I show you all of those pictures. And on this side we have nothing, and that 400 milliamp hour battery, 1.5 watt, is placed in here. And even two of these at the top, they are not connected to anything. They are just connected to earth. That's it. No minus and plus, or negative and positive connected to these two. Only these two, they are working. And what they are boasting about on this, for this, is that, oh, the original one, it has only two, but we have four. This is the upgrade ones. Anyway, don't be fooled by these people. Anyway, let me just show you for the last time the model number of this and the top of this box. Just remember this: blue, yellow and white, and this picture. And if it comes to you as JT008, yeah, this is just fake. So I put this aside, and I drop something here, and we are going to talk about this. So if you want to turn this one on, I'm trying to talk fast and, just explain to you anything at the shortest possible time to you as possible. Anyway, if you press this for 3 seconds, starting up, it says. And then, as soon as it starts up, just two pads are starting to heat up. And nothing is going to happen, no vibration. I keep it close to the microphone, and you can hear nothing, absolutely nothing. And if you press this one for more than 3 seconds, the heating is going off. Let me just see. Yeah, these two, they are starting to heat up. Wow! And there is a little bit of electric shock there. And do not be tempted by this. And then if you press this for more than 3 seconds, the heater is going to be turned off. And we go through the 16 different positions that it has. I demonstrated to you. Force 2,
Force 3, Force 4, Force 5, Force 6, Force 7, Force 8, Force 9, Force 10, Force 11, Force 12, Force 13, Force 14, Force 15, Force 16, Force 16.
So it has 16 different forces, but it absolutely does nothing because it doesn't have any micro vibration, it doesn't have any frequency, it doesn't have any different temperature control. It's just set as one. And then when you press this one, just imagine what this marvel of technology is gonna do with 20 pounds. Just listen to this.
Acupuncture mode.
It has acupuncture mode,
Massage mode.
refresh mode,
Finger press mode.
finger press mode,
Pinch mode.
pinch mode, oh fantastic,
Hammering mode.
healing mode,
Automatic
automatic mode.
mode. Acupuncture mode.
Oh, we are going to go back to the acupuncture mode. So it does absolutely nothing at all. And now let me just show you the pictures. Let me just put this on the side for everyone to see what a piece of rubbish this one is. And this is the picture that I've taken. Let me just put it like this. This is the battery, 400 milliamp battery that it has. It is 5 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 4 millimeters. This is the battery, and the wattage is 1.4 watts. Let me just help it to yes, in the center it says, oh, in the center it says 1.4 watt hour. And then the next one, this is the PCB board. That one is the controller for the charging battery, and the other one is the IC chip for programming all of these nonsense that is talking about. And this is the charging port, and this is the battery connector, this is a speaker, and these two, they're supposed to go to the heating of these two pads at the bottom. And then the next image is the back of this PCB board, that there are these three. And when you are charging this LED starts with red and then turns to green. This is the only thing that is maybe positive about this unit, because it just tells you when the battery is fully charged. I am so angry with this, that they are trying to, somehow scam people out of £20. But I have to tell you, there are some models of this that they are real, something like £29 or even more, and less. I show you those as well. I just first show you all of this, and this is all of the items on the PCB, as you see. So it's just programmed to heat those two electronic pads that it has. And then the next image, this is the, let me just get rid of this. That part is the speaker, and this is the speaker. I'm just angry that they are going through all of that, all of these productions, all of these materials, just to cheat you and con you. And I am really furious about this. I have a picture at the end that is showing you how many pieces this one takes to be built, and you are going to be amazed that somehow they are going through all of that just to cheat you out of your pocket. And this is the pad that is going to heat these two pads up here. And these are the two pads that they are absolutely useless, and they are not connected to anything. And there are no electronics, nothing. This one has it, this one has it, but these two doesn't. And then there are pieces that they are going to construction of these two. They are really, really difficult to put all of them together. Just imagine the cheap labor that they have in China or wherever that this one is coming from. Assumably China is coming out. So this is the heater on one of them, and the other one is the same. And this is the picture that I told you. All of these pieces, all of this, just to con you out of £20 out of your pockets. The box, the instruction manual, all of these pieces, all of these, I mean, is absolutely ridiculous. Just look at them. All of this for £20. Anyway, I don't want this video to get too long. and there is the electrocution as well that is coming to you, is a buzzing somehow that is electrocuting you, so is not recommended at all. So by all means, okay, I told you that I'm gonna show you the listing of this and the seller. You know, the seller is very important. Let me just show you that. Just concentrate on this picture and avoid it by all means. First, I'm going to show you the seller of this. And just bear with me, because this is the listing. A smart and safety neck massager. And this is the seller, KB Sport Fitness 299. I think that 299 is the number of item that they have sold. 97.7% positive feedback, and the price originally is 19.65 pounds 65 pence each, and they are fast shipping as well. And the pictures, if you purchase this, if you have purchased this, you can easily argue that this item is not as described, because they have displayed this one as well as this one. This one is the real one that I told you that it exists out there and is legitimate and is 29 pounds. But they have mixed all of these pictures here just to show you that, you know, this one is good and legitimate. This one is, I show you the seller. I'm not gonna purchase it. Maybe if you leave a comment in the comment section, I will purchase this and I test it, and I'm going to report it back to you, that what it does and what it doesn't. And these are all the pictures. You see, there are a plethora of the pictures that they have, displayed here, that you can argue easily that this item is not as described. Anyhow, and then the item that is good, let me just find it if I can. Oh, it's here. So these people, they have a little bit more positive feedback than the other one, and this one only displayed all the pictures of this unit, and they have a video on this as well. So this one is a safe purchase, but if you want, let me just know if you want me to purchase this, and I report back to you about this. Anyway, this video, I don't want it to get too long. I just wanted to inform you about this unit that is absolutely rubbish. The only thing that you can extract from this, is just the battery in there, and the PCB is just, it has two heaters for these two, that you can extract them for hand warmer or something, that you can maybe use it in other projects. Other than that, all of this voice control and all of that is rubbish, and you can get rid of the speaker and use the battery and the PCB to charge the battery and heat up these two pads. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.